Hello friends. Welcome back to my channel where we learn English in a fun and easy way. Today, we will learn English through a short story. Stories help us understand grammar, learn new words, and improve speaking. Let's begin with a small and sweet story about a girl named Ronnie. The name of the story is Ronnie's Lost Bag. Ronnie is a young girl. One day, she goes to the market with her mother. She buys apples, bananas, and bread. After shopping, Ronnie sees that her bag is missing. She looks around. Then, a kind man gives her the bag. Ronnie says, "Thank you." She is very happy. Grammar explanation from the story. Ronnie's lost bag. Let's understand the grammar with simple examples from the story. 1. Ronnie is a young girl. Here, we use is because we are talking about the present. This is a present simple tense sentence. Is the present form of the verb to be for singular subjects like Ronnie. 2. She goes to the market. Goes is the present tense form of the verb go. Since she is a singular subject, we add es to the verb. She buys apples, bananas, and bread. Again, we use the present tense here. Buys is the present tense of the verb buy with she. 4. Her bag is missing. Is used again to describe the bag in the present state. It is missing now. A kind man gives her the bag. Gives is a present tense verb. He is giving it now. Ronnie says, "Thank you." Says is in the present tense. It shows what Ronnie says at that moment. She is very happy. Is shows her current feeling happy. It's present simple tense with the verb to be. All these sentences are written in present simple tense, which is used to talk about daily activities, facts, and things happening right now. Did you enjoy the story? If yes, then don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more easy English stories. Let's keep learning English together.